003. Take a screenshot of attendance also. Meter. If four like charges, if four like charges of 20 microcoulomb are located on x and y axis at plus minus 4 meter, okay. So just solve the example. So find force on 100 microcoulomb charge at 003. Now here 3 coordinates are given, means there are 3 axes, right? There are 3 axes, x, y and z. Okay, so this x, y and z. Okay. Now find force on 100 microcoulomb charge at 003. If this point is 003 now, so this point is located on which axis? Just tell me. This point
Z axis.
003 is located on z axis because x coordinate is 0, y is 0, only z coordinate is given. So I consider this point as 003. Okay. Meter. If 4 like charges, means 4 same charges of 20 microcoulomb are located on x and y axis at plus minus 4 meter. Now 20 microcoulombs charges, 4 charges are located on which axis? X axis and y axis. Now if I consider x and y axis, there are only 2 axes, but 4 charges are located at 4 meter. Then how can I locate the remaining 2 charges? Yes? How I can locate the remaining 2 charges? 4 like charges of 20 microcoulomb are located on x and y axis. Distance is 4 meters. So I consider on x axis this distance is 4 meter. So on x, what will be the coordinates of point here? 4, 0, 0, because on only x axis there will be only x coordinate and y and z are 0. Similarly, the second charge is located on y axis at distance of 4 meter. So what are the coordinates on y axis? Yes, on y axis.
040.
Yes, these are 0, 4, 0 because here x is 0 and z is also 0. Okay, then what about the remaining 2 charges? Where these will be located?
Minus x-axis.
Right, this will be located at minus x-axis and minus y-axis, right? So, opposite of plus x is minus x, right? And opposite of y is minus y-axis. Now, at minus x-axis, the charge is located, and what will be the coordinate of that minus x-axis?
Minus 400.
Correct. This will be minus 400. And on minus y-axis, if the point is located here, then coordinates will be 0,
0 minus
minus
40.
40. Correct. Now what is asked? Find force. Find force on 100 microcoulomb charge at 003. Now at this point, At point 003, the charge is of 100 microcoulomb. Okay, this charge is of 100 microcoulomb. If 4 like charges of 20 microcoulomb are located, okay, on x and y axis at 4 meter. Okay, now we have to find force which is acting on this charge only, which is on z axis due to all these 4 charges. So connect all these lines. So everyone note it correctly. So this is force acting due to this minus y point. Okay, force acting due to this point. Then due to plus y and due to minus x. Okay, now all forces are acting on this fifth point. Okay, so I consider for plus x, this is charge q1, for minus x, charge q2, for plus y, charge q3, and for minus y, at charge q4, and the last charge of 100 coulomb, I consider that charge as q5. Okay, q5. Then we have to find the total force acting on charge Q5 due to charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4, right? So if I consider the force acting on charge Q5, that is F5 bar. Okay, so force acting on charge Q5 is F5 bar, right? So is equal to, now force is acting due to charge q1, q2, q3 and q4, right? So we have to add all these forces. Okay, so what will be the first force which is acting on charge q5 due to charge q1? So how I can write this? F bar, yes, total force F bar 5 is equal to first force, that is force acting on charge 5 due to charge q1. So I can write this as F bar 5 1, F bar 5 1, because the force is acting on charge q5 but due to charge q1. Okay, that's why it is F bar 5 1. Similarly, there will be addition, right, of, then F bar. What is the force acting on charge Q5 due to charge Q2? Yes, how I can write this? F bar
5
2, correct. So it is F bar 2. Then plus charge force acting on charge Q5 due to charge Q3 is F bar 3, and plus force acting on charge Q5 due to charge Q4 is F bar 4. So this total force is the addition of these 4 forces. Okay, so you have to find the single forces, that is F bar 1 is equal to. Now what is the formula for F bar 1? Yes,
Q1, Q2
it will be Q1, Q2
upon 4 pi.
F bar,
Q1
Now
Q
there are
Q1,
no
Q5.
only two charges, right? There are different 5 charges. So here force is acting on charge Q5 due to charge Q1, means which charges Q1 and Q5. We are considering two charges, 2-point charges Q1 and Q5. Okay, so formula will be Q1 Q5 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0. Now in which direction we are going? We are going from Q1 to Q5. Then what is R? R, it will be 5 1, yeah, 1 5.
5 1.
1
How 5 1?
1 5 1 5.
It will be 1 5 because we are going from Q1 to Q5. Direction is this one, right? So it is 1 5 square. Now similarly, direction of unit vector A bar. Again we are going from Q1 to Q5. That's why unit vector is A bar 1 5. Always remember, if such type of examples are given, then whatever be the direction of force, okay, force is acting on charge 5 due to charge 1, and the direction will be opposite. Okay, direction of this distance and unit vector will be opposite. Okay, so we have to find this first vector r bar 1 5 and then a bar 1 5. Okay, so time is over. So we'll send so we'll send see this example in next lecture. If it is possible for you, it's very simple because we have already seen one example. Similarly, you can find all these 4 forces and add all these 4 forces so that you can find the total force. Okay, so every time find the correct answer. Take correct directions. Okay, so we'll end the lecture. Okay, thank you all. So everyone noted this point? Can I clear? Okay, we'll see in next.
Yes, madam, clear.
Okay, and prepare for test. Okay, maybe if today I don't get time for forming question paper, I'll continue lecture. Otherwise, test will be there. But be prepared. Okay, thank you.